I'm going to show you how to replace some window trim on the outside. To just take these nails out like this. When I put the new trim on, I don't want to pry too hard against it. There we go. Once I get in there, I can pry out like this. When I pull this one out, I want to be careful of this piece right here. This is a rain cap. So I want to leave that there. So I'm just going to carefully go along and loosen it up. I am not a huge fan of spray foam. It makes a mess. Sometimes it expands too much. It'll push out through this trim if I'm not careful. With fiberglass, I know that it's gonna be fine. As soon as I put it in there, it's not gonna do anything. And I'm gonna be sealing this so water isn't gonna get in there regardless. So this does have the tar paper here, which is like an old school home wrap. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, it's kind of butyl tape, or it has like a sticky membrane kind of thing, and just barely cover this window so that when I put the trim on, you're not gonna see this sticking out. So now we're finally ready for trim. And it turns out that I need 4 3/4 because I wanna make everything the same. This will come down just about a 1/4 inch past this, and then it'll leave me a little bit of a reveal here, about 3/8. And that's gonna work about the same all the way around. 8 3/4 strong. Here's an extra step that's probably not necessary, but I'm gonna do it. 100% silicone, exterior grade, and I'm just gonna run a bead up on the top and on the sides. Put in our first piece. Make sure this is even right here. These are PVC trim screws. Just like that. Just sink the head in just a little bit. Now before we cut the pieces for the side, we have to take into account the angle of this sill. I'm gonna scribe it because that's the easiest. Now I'm gonna take this to the chop saw and cut it. I'm gonna saw back to 0. And then the top first. Make sure it's going the right way. Get it even. I am gonna caulk this all in, and I am gonna paint this sill. So I'm gonna scrape all this old paint off, probably gonna get right down to the bare sill, and then I'll caulk all this in and paint this up. The main focus of this was to take out the old trim and prevent it from doing what it was doing before. This is all sealed up, and it's better than this for sure. If you didn't know where to start, hopefully this video gives you some ideas and it helps you out. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.